Hello, this is Emily from Hope Physical Therapy and Wellness. First of all, I want to let you know that we're thinking of you, we care about you, and we miss you. I'd like to talk about a couple of things that are important in this time of increased stress. One thing we can do to manage stress and improve our overall wellness is breathing. Breathing with our diaphragm or belly breathing. I talk about this a lot with my patients because it helps manage pain and promote healing. But it also has a lot of other health benefits like reducing stress and blood pressure. What I will ask you to do is think about breathing throughout the day. Think about, are you using your upper chest muscles, shallow breathing, or are you pulling air down through your diaphragm into your belly? Oftentimes, when we're in the middle of work or a stressful situation, we even hold our breath, which increases the stress response in our body. But if we recognize that, we can be in control of it. So I'm asking you throughout the day to do a self-check to try and reduce your breath holding and shallow breathing and promote breath traveling down further using your diaphragm and filling your belly. I recommend to my patients that about once an hour they take in 3 to 5 deep breaths. Additionally, I think meditation can help us all in these stressful times, and it's important on a regular basis for our well-being. Many of my patients tell me that it's difficult for them to meditate, or they have failed when they've attempted to meditate in the past. There is no right way to meditate for every person. There are many methods that are effective. Essentially, you need 10 minutes a day where you are focusing on something that you're concentrating on that puts you into a relaxed state, and you're putting your other thoughts and stressors on the back burner. There are many apps that can be used for meditation, but it can also be as simple as sitting or lying in a comfortable location, closing one's eyes, and thinking about something relaxing. Studying it, studying every element in your mind's eye. I tell people to think about a vacation. For example, sitting on the beach. And how did it smell? Sound? Were you eating or drinking anything? If so, how did it taste? What did the sand feel like underneath you? It could be anywhere, but essentially spending about 10 minutes thinking about as many sensations as possible, as many parts of the experience of your favorite vacation or place. Another thing you can do is study an image in your head. A forest, for example. Trying to think about the big picture of the forest down to every little detail, including every bug and pine needle. And as thoughts come in, thoughts about the day, the month, the year, any stressors, they're just simply acknowledged, but then put on the back burner. Finally, some patients respond well to listening to something like their favorite songs. And again, this might be outside of the traditional box of meditation, but can be very effective just focusing on every element while you listen to your favorite song. And throughout the process of meditation, making sure there isn't breath holding or shallow breathing. I encourage you to try meditating 10 minutes every day, which has been shown to have multiple health benefits, as well as be conscious of your breathing throughout the day and practice diaphragmatic breathing hourly. Please reach out to us at Hope Physical Therapy and Wellness if you have any questions, concerns, or needs. We're here for you. And again, we hope to see you soon.